Take a ride in the 2024 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, LED headlights, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.